Hey everyone, welcome to the Sweet 17 tomatoes in 18 square feet. I've had a bunch of questions about how to single stem prune these guys. So let's take one of my favorites. This is one of the bigger ones, the Super Sweet 100. Okay, we'll start down at the bottom and you'll see that I've trimmed off the lower leaves, and that's once there is enough growth above to support the plant. I get rid of the bottom. So you can see that there's a lot of airflow going through here. Sorry, I need to weed down there. And then the string itself is wrapped around the bottom a little bit on a light sort of twist. But then I start putting in these clips after I stop twisting. And one every 8 to 10 inches or so, depending on the weight of the plant and its growth habit. So I'll add another one there eventually, maybe in a few days after I get a few more inches of growth. The way I single stem prune is that whenever there's a sucker on a spot like that, I would pull it out. And then that keeps this one trunk, the main trunk, a single stem up the plant. And it follows in a nice line. You only need 1 square foot of garden space for this plant to thrive using this pruning method. If I were to let a sucker go, and create another independent plant, it would get a bit more bushy. I would require several strings to hoist it up off the ground. And so we keep it nice and clean with one. Anyway, here's a sucker right here. I pull those babies out to keep it going straight up.